Low-hanging fruits. As a species, we were evolving the fastest when the conditions were the hardest. The climate got colder, we were disseminated by diseases, and the food was scarce. In a sense, this is how education system is built. We are provided with constant challenges, and the bar is moving higher and higher. That is why sometimes we welcome too often difficult things with open arms. As you can guess, this is far from optimal and efficient. In short, you should always start with doing the so-called low-hanging fruits. What are low-hanging fruits? They are the most accessible, easy to achieve, and meaningful results. Why we should start with doing them? Because they provide the biggest impact with lowest resources needed. How to identify the low-hanging fruits? Easy. You should start with a list of things you consider doing. Using simple math, estimate the impact and the effort resources needed. And once you have it, you should put this on the matrix provided here. So here we have a impact, high, low, and then resources needed, small, big. Out of this, we get things with different level of impact and different level of resources needed. The low-hanging fruits are the ones that are easy to implement. Few resources needed, fast to implement, and with big impact. So this is this. This is what you should start with to make sure that you really make the difference. What should be done next? Second place goes to the things with big impact but requiring significant resources. The third place goes to things that are easy but with low impact. Things that are difficult and with low impact should not be done at all. Now let's have a look at an example of our project. It's called Startup Academia. This is a platform for making startups work efficiently and in the right direction. As you can see, we have put all the activities we use to attract traffic on this matrix. The impact here is defined as the impact on traffic, so number of page views generated by certain activity. Effort is combined measure including the costs of time and money spent on certain activity. The clear winners are the blog posts and office hours. Next priority should go to Udemy courses, additional resources and events, as they are still very good in generating impact, yet more costly. Third place goes to slideshow presentation, YouTube, Twitter, that are cheap yet with lower impact. As you can see, using Steeply does not have any impact on our business, so should be abandoned altogether.